Go to your App Store, search for Gemini. All you have to need, install the Gemini or Google Gemini in your iPhone. Once it's installed, launch the Gemini app and select a Google account to use Gemini. Once you successfully signed in, now you can easily chat with Gemini from your iPhone just like this. It will also generate any photo. You can edit your photo using this Gemini or AI. Okay, now tap on your profile photo. In here, tap on Settings, tap on Gemini Voice, and now you can select a Gemini voice from here.
Keep exploring until you find the perfect voice.
You can always change voices later.
Go back. To use Gemini with your voice, tap this little mic icon, tap on Settings, and allow permission. Go back to Gemini and tap this icon. Hey, what's up? Tap on Send.
Not much. Just hanging out in the digital ether.
That's how you can easily go ahead and use Gemini with your voice. Thanks for watching.